doing something for a long time and never really seeing yourself is and then oops, and then seeing yourself and think, oh, that's all right, that's okay. It's because you can't compare. I'm not comparing me to anyone else. I'm comparing me to me. Which works. Whoops.